Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Shivam, please go ahead with the presentation. Please start the presentation.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Shivam Kumar, and I'll like to welcome Upendra sir and other team members for the presentation of document processor G 2020-018 batch. This PPT is about our project which we are doing. It is on document processor app. I will start with the introduction of our project. Uh, I welcome Rahul sir too. Good afternoon, sir. Okay.
Hello,
So
good afternoon.
Okay, sir. So the introduction of the project is that we are going to develop an application which will change the various documents into a PDF files. For the simplicity of the project, we will also provide a space where they will be organizing their data so that it will be easy to manage all the data together in a single platform, and the files of various formats, like if it is in jpeg or in document format, we can convert all those files into a single PDF document. The next slide is about Aman. Yeah, the next slide is about the objective which we need to accomplish during this project. There are four objectives which we have figured out. The first one is to to build a problem statement, that what are the things we need to do during the course of our project and what are the requirements we need to fulfill. This will accomplish all the problem statements, like what are the problems faced by the current situations that have to be tackled during this project. After completing the problem statement, we will move on a thorough research that what we have to do and from where we can gather the resources to build a perfect solution. So for that we will refer to the research papers, online resources, etc. The third step of our project will be developing a solution and designing development. This will be the most crucial part of our project because this is the part where we will be doing actual coding and other technical things of this project. And the fourth part of this project is the reviewing of all the products which have been developed during this project. So all are working fine, all the units of that projects are working fine all together. This will be done in the fourth step of the project. Aman, next slide please. The the next slide is software requirements of the project. The software requirements is our main programming language will be core java, because we are developing all the things in a core java format. That we have to also develop a application, so we will be referring to android studio to develop the application. And the main API which we will be using is iText. This API is used to convert various documents into the PDF. We will also be providing option to edit the PDFs so that they can be edited by one, merging PDFs. All these all things are done by the API iText PDF. Next slide, please.
Hello, Shivam.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Can you repeat the what is the functionality of API iText?
iText PDF, ITX, sir.
Uh,
Yeah,
yes.
sir. iText is an API for basically which focuses on PDF formats. So in this, there are various classes provided by the iText framework. Is that we can give images to it and they will provide a PDF document. This is the API which we will be using for developing the PDF formats. In
And,
this API, yes, sir.
and it is also your project title.
Yes,
to
sir.
convert any type of document in a PDF file.
Yes, sir. The main thing is that we will be converting all various formats into a single PDF.
Then what you people have done in this project? Because you directly use API and API convert all the documents in a PDF file. That is your project title. Then what you people have done in this project?
Yes, sir. Actually, we were researching through whole the project that what are the various resources which we have already in the market. So we didn't get into that to develop that product once again. So we use that API, but yeah, for developing and image processing, for doing that enhancing of image, we will be doing some sort of image processing too.
For what?
So for example, let's suppose we clicked an image and the image is of poor quality, it has low brightness or something. So with the image processing, we will clarify the image, crop the image. There will be a uh, predictor so that cropping of image can be done, and that uh, cropped image or enhanced modified image will be provided to API text to just convert into a PDF format.
Okay, continue.
Okay, sir. So the existing systems are Adobe Scan, Office Lens, Kaga Scanner, and ScanBot. These are the all the type of some apps which are available in the Play Store and other platforms. But one of the major drawback is that in some of they all provide some premium versions. So editing of PDF is not allowed in much of them, so we can just only convert them. For editing or signing the PDFs, we have to upgrade it to premium version. So our platform will be free, and it will be a free without any premium subscription. For the further PPT, I would like to request Aman to present them.
Sir, this is the what is the novelty
picture
of your project?
Ye-
Means how it is different from the existing projects.
yes, sir.
What is the novelty of your project? Means how it
Sir,
is different from other existing project? Because you already told the PDF editing is also available if you pay for it.
sir, actually, your voice is not clear. Can you repeat it, please?
Means I want to know what is the novelty of your project? How it is different from the existing project?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I got your question. Because sir, previous when we all were doing some projects and practical works in during our college, we generally used Cam Scanner, which was banned a few months before. So in that also, we were not allowed to remove that Cam Scanner subtitle in the bottom. So if we have to share it, that Cam Scanner would come in a bit with that at the bottom of that page. So our project will be a free project for everyone, so that everyone can use without any premium subscription on or discriminating any other on the basis of just premium subscription that you can use this portal or not. So we will be providing a generous platform to be used by all the students without any regular fees, sir.
Okay, then continue.
Okay.
So this is the sample example for our upcoming project. In the first diagram, we can see that there is a cross text and the editing option, and in picture there is all the document and present. In this manner, our application is work. And the main problem of
You are running just take it from the internet. This screenshot you are showing here, it is your project. Screenshot you are showing here, it is your project screenshot. Yeah, you have take it from the internet.
Sir, this is not our project screenshot, sir. This is taken from the project. Sir.
From where? Please mention the resources. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
From where you have taken this these sort out
Aman,
diagrams?
please mention the resources reference. Shivam?
Yes, sir. Sir, references have been mentioned at the last of the PPT.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I only ask for these diagrams. Means these screenshot or these images of your project image, or just you are showing it for
No,
your
sir.
project image taking from the
Yes, sir.
internet.
Sir, actually, we are developing currently,
Sir,
so
it is
we have.
sample. These
It
are
is a sample.
sample images.
So we are currently developing. We just presented a theme that would that our app will be similar to this app. It is not the actual photo of our app because.
Means yes, I want to know that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is your actual photo, na?
No, sir, it's not actual. It's a theme. We will be developing
Okay.
actual. Yes, sir.
You want to develop similar kind
Yes,
of
sir.
thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, main problem is problem is the cutting a sheet of paper, useful information, for example, driving license or any other document which is always available with us in online, so that for this purpose this app can be useful. And in this project, the text recognition is divided in the three modules. First one is the processing, second is the text recognition module, and third one is the post-processing module. Pre-processing module में simply we have store the data from the images, and image is further analyzed for the important information that could be retrieved for the next stage. And sir, text recognition में sir, feature extracts, segmentation and classification. These three things are used. In the segmentation part, we use to separate the individual's characters between the images, which is in the text format. And in the feature extraction, sir, in the most important, the basic of the character can be represented accurately. It is checked in this part, the feature extraction part. And in classification part, sir, text in the images are converted into the computer understandable, the computer ऐसा उसमें third form classification, sir. And in post processing models, the final converted in electronic format. And this is conclusion, which is continue.
Shivam, please continue. I think Aman has some technical
Yes,
issues.
sir. Sir, for the last, it is Ojasvi is wanna present it for conclusion and scope and
Good
references.
Sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Ojasvi, please go ahead.
Sir, the main conclusion of our project is that it's very helpful for us. This project will be as well as the IT professionals, because as we have developed various assignments or projects in our college life, we have come to know that PDFs are very important documents. So, main scope of our project.
Ojasvi, are you comfortable with presentation? Are you comfortable, or you can pass to Shivam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you are
Okay.
okay, Shivam, please go
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
Ojasvi has some health issues.
The next is our conclusion and scope of our project. So the main scope is that we will be focusing on the student. The major focus is on student, because during their college life or in higher education, they have to tackle with many situations where they have to present or present their files in share the files between students and share the resources which they have gathered from various. So our main focus is on students, and also it can be implemented to the employees at the professional level too. This is our small contribution towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, because we also our generous Prime Minister has mentioned digital era. So we are also contributing towards this great theme, and so we decided to make it a free trial from without adding any.
Ojasvi, can you tell in chat box what type of classification algorithms you are using here? Can you write your
Ojasvi,
answer? What type of classification algorithm are you using here?
Ojasvi, please answer.
Just tell me the name of the algorithm.
Ojasvi, we are audible.
Or can you tell the difference between labeled or unlabeled data? Any question answer?
Ojasvi, we are audible.
Yes or no?
Aman, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Aman, please answer that.
What color classification algorithms you are using here?
Sir, label data and unlabeled data, sir, I can answer.
बताओ.
Sir, label data is similar like which is comes with a tag, or unlabeled data is without any tag. Similar to this.
What type of
This-
tag? Means you are using here classification algorithm. Tell me the name of any classification algorithm. Anyone can answer. Anyone. Aman, either Shivam, either Ojasvi.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Tell me the name of the classification algorithm which are using here.
Yes. So we will be using unsupervised learning mechanism here because we don't have any predefined data that we need to achieve. We need with that we can already mention that we have some predefined results. So we will be using unsupervised learning data here.
What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised?
So supervised learning is that we provide some data set to be operated on, and with some result that okay we can cross check that this result obtained by our algorithm is correct or not. Supervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we give the data and we don't actually assess it that this we have got at our expectation level or not. For example, let's suppose we are predicting a price of some building or house. So for that we will be using supervised learning because we know that what is the price the contractor has mentioned, and with our previous records we can calculate it, and if it is correct we can assess it that whether it is correct or not.
Okay, answer that is from my side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Shivam. So your presentation is complete.
Yes, sir. The last slide is about the reference of the project which you asked about. Yeah, we have reference.
Okay. So
Yes.
each team member, please explain your contribution till now and your further role in this project. Each member individual.
Your individual role.
Okay, sir. Sir, in this project, my role will be to develop the Android application for presenting it on the various platform of mobiles. So I will also be working on iText PDF uh, in the backend so that we can the assess the data which we have and process it to the PDF formats. I pass it to
Okay.
Aman.
Sir, my main focus is on the documentation part till now, and in future, most of the documentation part is done from my side.
And not any coding part.
Sir, some coding parts if needed, sir. Java, because I am coding in Java, so sir,
No,
main
Shivam,
contribution
please
is the Java, no Android.
give
Sir.
some role to the Aman
Coding parts
regarding
is
the
Java.
coding part also. Okay.
Regarding implementation
Yes, sir.
part.
Yes, sir.
Ojasvi, we are audible. Ojasi, are we audible? Okay, okay. So thank you guys for joining the session. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Thank you, Rahul sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hello.